Hello there gamers, today we are diving into the world of using a keyboard and mouse on your Xbox console. Whether you are looking into enhance your gaming experience or just prefer the precision of a mouse and keyboard, we have got you covered. So let's get started. Wait. Transition. Transition please. So guys, recently I bought a Xbox console from Flipkart. I was a PC gamer for more than 10 years, but suddenly my brain got damaged and I wasn't a PC gamer anymore. So why did I do that? If you wanna find out, you can check out that video in the link description because today we are gonna talk about how to play any Xbox game with a keyboard and mouse. Not about Xbox, come on. I made a video for that. And why am I even making those videos? They're not even watching them. I'm not rude. I am nice. I am nice. As I told you already, I was a PC gamer for more than 10 years. So when I switched to a gaming console, my biggest struggle was switching my controls from keyboard and mouse to gaming pad. And I had never used a gaming controller before. So obviously it was an instant lesson and a regret. But as a wise man said, don't lose hope. She's only married, not dead. What? Anyways, I had to find a solution. So I did what everyone does. I googled my problem. And Google said that I was having a panic attack because she was married and not dead. Once my hands stopped shivering, I finally found this on Google. This is called Aimzinix Bladder and it is interesting. So what it does, it gives support to use the mouse and keyboard. But how? Let me show you. First of all, I should mention that there are so many other adapters you can buy. Aimzinix Bladder is only one of them. I only bought it because it seemed the simplest one and the cheapest one. After all, other adapters are quite expensive. I bought this for only 2000 rupees, which is like 24 American dollars. Meanwhile, other adapters are 5 to 10 times more expensive than this. And we must consider that Xbox or any other console do not support adapters officially. So it was a risky decision, but surprisingly, it worked and it worked well. Ish, ish. Give me some evil laugh, please. Some evil laugh. Thank you. Okay, guys. So as you can see, I have connected a keyboard and mouse directly to the Xbox, and it is not responding for GTA 5. So this is what we are gonna do now. We will connect this adapter with the Xbox. Yes, it is on. And we are gonna connect to the gaming controller. And we have these USB ports for the keyboard and mouse. Now let's try. As you can see now, keyboard and mouse is working. So this is how it works. So this is how the magic happens. But there are a few drawbacks which are quite important, such as it is not as smooth as keyboard and mouse on a computer. But for a gamer who had played on computer for a very long time, I would say that it is still a lot better than controllers. Yeah, I mean, literally a lot better. Okay, I will say that. I am saying that. I also want to point out that I am not against the Xbox controller. It is pretty cool, which is not by the way. But as a PC gamer, I know that keyboard and mouse are quite irreplaceable. Okay? I tried to be nice, okay? Now just go away. Second thing, this particular adapter does not have any audio port, which is really bad. An audio port in the controller does not work when it is connected to AIM Zenix ladder. Firstly, I thought it could be some manufacturing defect, but it is not. Because when it's a Chinese product, that's what we assume first. We are so racist. Is this even racist? But there's a solution. Either you can get a wireless headphone like me, you can connect your Xbox to a TV or monitor which has 3.5 mm jack. And this is it. I mean, this is it. The video is over. So just, go. Huh? Yeah, just go. How was I rude? So you mean when I'm ending a video, I have to be nice, like, okay. So I mean, I don't just, like, tell them to go away. Okay, okay. Okay, I will try. Yeah, I can try. Yeah, sure. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like my content. And if you do, please subscribe to my channel and have a nice day. Goodbye and good luck.